Why should you become a digital coach today? To break the unproductive patterns of our education system. Hi, my name is Jessie D'Souza and I am a digital business coach for women, and I am on a mission to help 100,000 women make money using skills, knowledge and expertise. And if you want to be one of those women, then I would strongly suggest you to watch this video till the end. I have found 6 reasons why you should become a digital coach. Now let's just dive into it. Number 1, our current education system is based on memorization. Okay, but when you become a digital mentor or a digital coach, and when you want to teach your students, this concept is going to be based on problem solution approach. As a mentor or as a coach, you are going to solve one of their biggest problems that will give them a breakthrough in their business or life. And that is why digital business is actually built on simplicity. Number 2, to have freedom lifestyle. So what happens when you create a digital coaching business? Whatever you want to teach, whatever you want to train, you can definitely become a digital coach. And when you create a system based on strongest principles, code of honor and strategies, you will be able to live that freedom lifestyle where you do not have to actively work every single day to make money. Number 3, if you are frustrated about your job, or if you are really frustrated about a business that you have built and you're not able to scale it anymore, then you should become a digital coach, because you can earn only so much money as an employee in a corporate job. And even as a online business person, you won't be able to scale your business unless you know the right structure to build and scale a business. So when you become a digital coach, initial stage, the first 6 months would be definitely there is a lot of learning, implementing and experimenting. But once you know the foundations, it is going to be super easy for you to scale it, because you're exactly going to follow the templatized plan that I'm going to use it for my business, and that's going to be super easy for you. Number 4 is, if you think that making money requires a lot of skills or hard work, then you should definitely become a digital coach. It is a myth. You do not have to have thousands of skills, or you need to know thousands of tools to become a digital coach. You just need to know one tool or one skill, and you have to master it so that you can become a digital coach and make lots of money. Now, you might be wondering why this person or why this woman always says make a lot of money. Because I strongly believe that when you make a lot of money, you will be able to help others, right? If you do not have money, how are you going to help others? How are you going to create the impact that you truly desire in this society, right? That's not going to be possible. Number 5 is, if you want to create bigger impact, and if you want to have a profitable business, and if you want to build a fastest online business, then you have to become a digital coach, because creating impact is really important in my opinion. Otherwise, it's going to be like you will make money and then you will make a little more money, and then you will not have that motivation. So you have to have a strongest purpose in life, so that you always look keep that focus in front of your eyes, and then work on your business. That is very important. And that is why, if you want to have this kind of business, then digital coaching is go business for you. If you're looking for a community where you could have all these elements in place, and you want that mentor who is going to guide you at every stage of your business, then you have to join Freedompreneur by Design, where I'm going to do a lot of sessions around these topics, so that you can become a digital coach in the fastest way possible. Okay, if you are looking for that kind of community, please join my community, Freedompreneur by Design, and I'm going to put the link in the description. Okay, see you soon inside the community. Bye.